Welcome guys, today I am with the JBL Under Armour Flash earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can power on and power off manually this device. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, I'm connected with my phone, and when I'm gonna turn them off, this connection will disappear. So we have to just click and hold both earbuds, the left and the right, right here, until this indicator turns to the red. So let's make it right now. Click and hold, keep holding and take a look on the indicator, and right now you can release. As you can see, both of them blinks on the red and the connection disappear. To turn them on, oh wait a minute, that's the Google Assistant. So to turn them on, just do the same, click and hold until this indicator turns to the blue. Right now we can release. After a few moments our connection will be back. As you can see, here it is. You can also turn them off by put them to the charging case and close. As you can see, that's it. To turn them on automatically, just take them out of the case. So basically we got two methods, the manual and the automatic. Take a look right here, and that's it. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.